4 keys to see the hand of God in 2025. Key 1. Walk in faith and obedience. The Bible says in Hebrews 11 verse 6, "Without faith, it is impossible to please God." Start 2025 by strengthening your trust in God's plans, even when they don't make sense. Obedience to His word opens doors for His hand to move in your life. Trust Him fully and take steps of faith, knowing He's guiding you. Key 2. Seek God in prayer and His word. Jeremiah 29 verse 13 reminds us, "You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart." Make daily prayer and Bible study a priority in 2025. Spend time listening to God, seeking His guidance, and aligning your plans with His will. When you draw near to Him, He draws near to you. Key 3. Embrace gratitude and generosity. 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 18 encourages us to give thanks in all circumstances. Gratitude shifts your perspective and opens your heart to see God's blessings, even in challenges. Be generous in sharing your blessings with others, and watch how God multiplies what you give. Key 4. Surround yourself with godly influence. Proverbs 13 verse 20 says, "Walk with the wise and become wise." Surround yourself with people who inspire your faith and encourage your walk with God. Join a community or small group that will pray with you, keep you accountable, and help you stay on the path God has set before you. Conclusion. As we step into 2025, remember these keys: faith, prayer, gratitude, and community. They will open the way for you to experience God's hand in your life like never before. What are you trusting God for in 2025? Share your hopes and prayers in the comments below.